This is a review of Sentinel monitoring camera. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have inside. It has dual camera, G sensor, parking surveillance. It is working with cellular technology, 4G, and detection technology, front, rear, microwave radar, G sensor, and AI-based human shape detection, tracking, etc. Here we have all the features. Let's open it. Let's take out the camera and see. We also have other attachments. Here we go. This is the first look. This is TF card input, SIM card input, reset button. That's microphone and Type-C input. This is the first camera. Here is the second camera. And you can adjust it however you like. Turn on and off button. You can record a video and you can stop it. Let's see what else we have inside the box. This is the base with two-sided tape, static stickers. There we go, all the cables. This is working with OBD input and USB-C. That's for the camera. Here are some tools. We're gonna use it during the installation. Here is my car, and I'm gonna put the sticker right there and put the camera over there. Let's remove the cover. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right over here. Now we're good to go. Let's do the OBD connection. Don't forget to peel it off. Everything. It's the USB-C power source. Let's check the OBD port right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in. And let's see the first reaction of the camera.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
We're gonna go ahead and pair it. Since it is 4G LTE, I'm gonna install the application and then check everything. Basically, you can get the cable from here and put it right there. And you can put it inside. Like there's a space over there. And you can get the cable from here or directly here to there. And put it inside. And it can come from there. And here is the OBD port. Hiding the cable is the easiest part. Whenever you're driving, it is in driver mode. Whenever you close the car, unlock it, it's gonna be parking mode. I installed the camera under the mirror and I installed the application. Then here we go. I added the camera to my application, and here is the front camera, and this is the interior camera. And you can also talk to the person inside the car. Hello. Hello. You see. And this is two-way audio talk. At the same time, you can hear whoever is talking in the car. You can either use cloud or SD card. And you can take a picture right there. And you can record a video, as you can see. Now, we can put the GPS data over there, but I didn't put it. That's personal info, that's why I didn't put it. There's only one person checking the camera. Alrighty, let me go ahead and make it full screen. When you press 2 times, it's gonna change. This is SD version. We can make it HD, high definition. You see the quality changing. SD fluent mode. You can check it like that. Alrighty, I'm gonna change it to HD mode. And you can see the difference. Yep. Too much difference. Let's go back and check the device settings. Motion detection, motion sensitivity, schedule recording, front camera. There is front radar detection, anti-false alarm detection. You can choose motion detection, human or disabled. Rear camera, this is the interior one. Let's see, activity zone. You can choose the activity zone right here, and right there, right there. It's up to you, whichever you like. And there's G sensor sensitivity when parking while driving. Recording settings, SD card, or cloud video, notification, text mode, cache mode, and full mode, silent mode. Video settings, you can rotate the image if you want. Vision modes, there is night vision mode also. LED indicator, general settings, speed unit, miles per hour, kilometers per hour, daylight saving time, time settings. If you want the GPS on the video, you can turn this on. You can share the device with your loved ones, and firmware update. This is real-time live streaming, and this is SD version, by the way. This is HD version, as you can see. When we check the camera, there are 3 buttons over there. The first button is locking the video. It's not going to be overwritten if there is new video coming. This file is going to be locked. And there is over here privacy mode. Let's go ahead and press that. And no one can hear or listen. And you can turn off the camera right there. And you can also rotate these. Let's see. No, that's awesome. And there are 2 types of modes, driving mode and parking mode. When it is parking, it's gonna detect whoever is around the car, then you can see. Then you're gonna get a real-time notification. Now I'm in front of the car, and you can change the brightness up and down. And you can change the volume right or left, like that. You see, you can hear the sound. Whoever is around the car is just directly recording. Whenever you're in the front, you're gonna see it. Whenever you go and pass right over here, you're gonna see it too. Basically, it is recording 360 in the back also. Normally, I don't see the camera, but I can see myself here, even though it is too dark. Camera can see you, but you cannot see the camera. What about here? Same thing. I'm right there. Here are some of the settings: cloud, 4G, notification, and device locations, and friends. You can even share it with your friends and device locations too. Wherever the car is, you're just gonna know where it is, and you can find it, even though someone is just stealing. If you wanna see the car's location, basically you're gonna press right there, and it's gonna tell you where the car is. If someone is passing near the car, let's see. Now you can see activity detected. Let's check it out. Now you can see it directly. If you want to see the old recordings, you need to go to SD card right there. Let's see. These are the old recordings. Whenever there is motion, it is just recording by itself. Vehicle start, network wake up, activity detected. As you can see, there is a car over there. At the same time, this is dash cam. While you're driving, it is also recording. Now it's a nighttime. We can go ahead and check out the quality of the video. And this is the front of the car, and here is the interior. Since it is very dark, this is the inside of the car. Basically, this is a live stream surveillance system. I can definitely suggest this product is because you can check the location and you can see inside. This is a dash cam. It's recording whenever there is movement, and if you're driving, it is also recording. Then there is 2-way audio talk, and you can take a picture or record a video. Overall, definitely suggest this product. No matter where your car is, you can find it and you can watch it.